Hey everyone, I am Dr. Brooke Keels with Mercy Multiplied. I'm the Executive Director of Counseling Services here at Mercy. And May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and your mental health is very important to us here at Mercy. And so I wanted to share just some pointers, a few things you can do to just check in with yourself and make sure that you're staying mentally healthy during this time. So we'll dive right in. The first one is being present. That sounds really simple, but with all of the devices that we have at our disposal nowadays, and probably we're spending more time than ever on our devices. I had a friend actually share with me, and I will not say her name, that she was spending about 10 to 12 hours a day on her phone. So just going to kind of challenge that if you are spending that much time on your phone or laptop or watching whatever Netflix documentary the world is now watching, that you're probably not being present. And it's really important to take the time to be intentional with that, to pay attention to the person sitting across from you, your kids who you are probably homeschooling right now, that you're able to also be present with yourself and just think about the things that you need in this season, making sure that you're present with the Lord and what He's trying to do in this season as well. The next thing is to give yourself some grace. We are all figuring out what the world is right now. We keep hearing the word unprecedented, and that's truly what this is. And so just giving yourself grace to be able to figure out what life needs to look like. Every day there's a new update, what will change in society, what will it mean for, my kids going to school, or what will it mean for my jobs? Or I say jobs plural because, we probably all have multiple now, but so making sure that we are giving ourselves grace as we figure this out and being intentional with that. The next one is to be purposeful. This can get confused with some of the other things, but being purposeful goes with being intentional, right? So we have a tendency when probably prior to this, we didn't even realize all of the things that we were just getting done without even thinking about it. And then when a lot of, our world came to a halt in a lot of ways, for a majority of us, it took the reality that we've just been kind of accidentally getting things done. And so making sure that we are being intentional. What do I need to get done today? Who are the people I need to spend time with or connect with? Am I being intentional with my time with the Lord? Am I being intentional getting the things done that I need to get done today? And then the next one is pay attention. And that seems pretty basic, but most of us are again, not really paying attention. There's so many things happening, so many things being thrown at us. And it's not just paying attention to the world around you, but frankly, paying attention to how you feel. A lot of us are feeling feelings that we have maybe not felt in a long time. Some people are, dealing with higher levels of frustration or being emotional, processing grieving during this time, dealing with loss, maybe it's a job or family member, and just maybe grieving the loss of what kind of has been as a culture. And so I just really encourage you to pay attention to those feelings. Don't push them down. Take them to the Lord and deal with them. And let the Lord move in ways that honestly He couldn't do if we had not walked through this. And so I think that He is really wanting to find ways to speak to our hearts and encourage us in this season. And one of the best ways that He can do that quickly is for us to actually pay attention to how we feel and take those things to Him. The next one is keep a routine. I know this sounds really mundane, but if you made your bed before work every day, okay, you're number one better than all of us, all right? So good job there. But the second thing is keep doing that thing. So if you now make your bed if you're going to work, meaning I'm leaving my bedroom and going to the living room. The parts of the routine that you had prior to any of this happening, those are important things to keep up. It will help keep you encouraged. It will help keep structure in your day. And again, it will help you stay intentional with everything that is going on. And again, I want to just really encourage us to take advantage of this time. And it doesn't mean, that what we know is that the Lord blesses in hard seasons, that He calls us up, that He comforts our hearts, that He encourages us, and He takes us to new levels, new depths with Him. And so I just really encourage you to allow that to happen. While all of this is going on, we just have a unique opportunity to not miss out on some unique times with the Lord. And I know for me, for one, I don't want to look back and be like, wow, I wish I would have used that time in a different way, right? We don't want to regret everything that's going on. And I think if we build these habits now, that they are going to be such a blessing to us as the world shifts to whatever it will be next. And another thing I want to encourage you with is, now more than ever, help is available. At Mercy Multiplied, we are a 6 to 9 month counseling program for young women ages 13 through 32. And we are so blessed by our incredible donors that allow us to offer these services free of charge. And so if right now you're like, I need help, now's the time to reach out. We are available. Give us a call. And then if you are outside of that range, if you will, if you're not eligible for Mercy because maybe you're a man, I really encourage you to take advantage of all of the telehealth options that are out there for counseling, for life coaching. And if you just don't even know where to start and you're not eligible for Mercy, please call us and we will give you all of the referrals that we have, that we keep up with, that we curate, to make sure that we can provide, we can meet people's needs, even if coming to Mercy isn't an option for them. So I'm just so thankful for you guys. I'm praying for all of you. Thank you for all of us that are praying for all of our incredible staff here at Mercy who are still serving the girls every single day. And just what a blessing it is to work here. And so I just pray that all of you have a wonderful rest of your week and that this encouraged you during this time.